Citroën DS, an icon reimagined. The Citroën DS, often referred to as the Goddess or DS in French, is a car that has left an indelible mark on the automotive world. Launched in 1955, it was a revolutionary vehicle that combined innovative technology, avant-garde design, and unparalleled comfort. Over the years, the Citroën DS has become an enduring icon, admired for its unique character and advanced features. In this text, we explore the history, design, and legacy of the Citroën DS and examine how it has been reimagined for the modern era. A brief history. The Citroën DS was born out of the need for a successor to the popular traction Avant. Citroën, a French automaker known for its innovative engineering, sought to create a car that would set new standards in terms of design, comfort, and performance. The development of the DS was shrouded in secrecy, and when it was unveiled at the 1955 Paris Motor Show, it took the world by storm. The DS was a triumph of engineering and design, and it immediately captured the public's imagination. Revolutionary design. One of the most striking features of the Citroën DS was its unconventional design. The car's sleek and aerodynamic body, penned by Italian sculptor and industrial designer Flaminio Bertoni, was unlike anything seen before. The DS featured a distinctive shark-like nose, a curved roofline, and a single-spoke steering wheel. Its elegant, streamlined appearance was a stark contrast to the boxy cars of the era. The DS was also known for its innovative use of materials. Its chassis and body panels were made of lightweight aluminum, which contributed to its impressive fuel efficiency and performance. The hydropneumatic suspension system, another pioneering feature, allowed the DS to provide a remarkably smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough roads. This system, which used a high-pressure hydraulic pump to control suspension movement, eliminated the need for traditional coil springs. Innovative technology. The Citroën DS was a technological marvel of its time. It was the first mass-produced car to feature disc brakes, which greatly improved its braking performance. The DS also introduced power-assisted steering, making it incredibly easy to maneuver. Its semi-automatic transmission, known as the Citromatic, made driving a breeze. One of the most iconic features of the DS was its unique headlight system. The car was equipped with swiveling headlights that turned with the steering wheel, providing better visibility when cornering. This innovation not only improved safety but also showcased Citroën's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. Legacy and cultural impact. The Citroën DS quickly became a symbol of French style and innovation. It was a favorite of celebrities, intellectuals, and politicians, including French President Charles de Gaulle, who was often seen riding in a Citroën DS. The car's influence extended beyond the automotive world, impacting art, fashion, and popular culture. Its futuristic design and technological advancements made it a cultural icon of the 20th century. Reimagining the icon. While the original Citroën DS remains a cherished classic, there has been a recent resurgence of interest in reimagining this automotive icon for the modern era. Citroën, now part of the Stellantis group, has taken up the challenge of paying homage to the DS while incorporating contemporary design and technology. In 2009, Citroën introduced the DS line, a new brand within the company, with the aim of capturing the spirit of the original DS while catering to modern tastes. The DS line includes a range of vehicles, from compact hatchbacks to luxury sedans and SUVs. These cars incorporate elements of the original DS's design, such as the distinctive front grille and elegant lines, while embracing the latest automotive innovations. Furthermore, Citroën has embraced electric and hybrid technology in its DS models, aligning with the industry's shift toward sustainable mobility. The DS brand offers electric and plug-in hybrid variants, showcasing the company's commitment to environmental responsibility and forward-thinking engineering. Conclusion. The Citroën DS, an automotive masterpiece from the mid-20th century, has rightfully earned its place in history as an icon of design and engineering. Its innovative features, unconventional design, and technological advancements set it apart from its contemporaries and continue to inspire car enthusiasts and designers. The DS brand, born out of Citroën's desire to pay tribute to the original DS while adapting to the demands of the modern world, represents a successful reimagining of this iconic vehicle. It keeps the spirit of the goddess alive while embracing new technologies and sustainable practices. The Citroën DS is more than a car, it's a symbol of innovation, elegance, and French savoir-faire. As the automotive industry evolves, the legacy of the DS lives on, proving that true icons are timeless and can adapt to the changing times while retaining their unique character and allure. The Citroën DS will forever be remembered as a symbol of audacity and creativity in the world of automobiles. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more exciting videos coming your way.